I can't do this no more, baby. My back freezing. Get it. Get it.
It's your girl Shavon.
And the crowds go. Yeah! I am back with it, man. Guys, by thumbnail, by title. Man, matter of fact, before I just got about the last video that we did, last leave the garage. Obviously, it wasn't no way. Well, you lost. You lost. No. I got my $300. I ain't gonna pay you that crap. But as you guys see, this time we're gonna be doing last to leave the deep freezer. You know, so we're doing like a little hot and cold type thing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know which one's more safe, which one's more dangerous. I feel like deep freezer has more. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna do this, man. I know it's gonna turn out same thing. Same rules as the last one. Last to leave when $300. Same thing, same. You know what I'm saying? So, alright, anything you wanna say?
I just want to say I'm anemic, and probably by the time, when I first step foot in this deep freezer, we're gonna close the top.
No, man.
Yes, we are.
We gonna close this top.
We're going to close the top.
Man, it's gonna be cold.
I know it's gonna be cold.
We ain't got no jacket on.
That's alright.
Alright, when all the edges went away.
Shut up, Boo. That's why I got this hat, y'all.
Don't say no. So wait. So we're gonna close this whole.
We're gonna get in here and we're gonna close this top. So when we close the top, y'all, I'm gonna be so cold. I'm anemic. Like my feet get cold, I'm cold. Like,
wait. So what if we lock it? We can't open it.
We gonna call.
What if we don't get a reception?
Then we suck like Chuck, baby.
Alright, guys. So yeah, as she said, we're gonna close the deep freezer. I don't know who in the hell's gonna close the deep freezer, because it's a whole different type of breed when you lift it up versus when you close it. You know what I'm saying? So if you love it, you better go say one more talk to your edges, cause them shit's finna run away.
Stop.
Alright guys, we're doing a lot of talking. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. We're gonna dive in this thing, you know what I'm saying? Get up.
Okay.
Let's show you guys what it's looking like, you know what I'm saying? Let's show you guys what it's looking like. This is the deep freezer. Now, this is cold, guys. This is, you guys can see.
That's cold.
This is cold. That's cold. Now, you don't feel like cold because it's open in the garage. We're in the garage, it's hot. But it's a whole different type of feeling when you close this thing.
Get in there, B.
Man, go in there, let me see. Because what if when we go in there, we can't open it from the inside? Yeah, go in that bad boy and let's see something real quick.
Wow, we gotta do stuff.
Can you smaller than me?
Oh, that's cold, babe.
Yeah, I'm pretty sorry for them.
Hold my phone.
Pretty sorry for them edges, boy.
Shut up. Leave my edges alone. It's genetic. If y'all see my dad, he ain't got no hair, so
sit on that bad boy. It's cold.
Babe.
Yeah, and you wanna close it. And she wanna close it.
Oh, no, let me out.
Can you open it?
No.
Can you open it?
Man, that was scary.
What happened?
How we gonna fit in there?
What happened when he was in there?
I felt like
the light turned off?
Yes.
For real?
Yes. I didn't know that would happen.
Holy, I didn't know that was gonna turn off.
Come on, babe, let's see if we can both fit in here. I don't think we can both fit in here with the door closed.
Alright, so we ready to do this, guys. We finna do it. Let's go. Hold the camera and go over in there.
Y'all, I don't know if we both will fit in there. Y'all,
that's cold.
I told you it's cold in his face. Come on, babe, that's cold.
That's cold.
I told you.
Babe, we need more than one socks.
I know my feet are already freezing.
That's cold.
That's
cold.
Alright, come on, get in. Hold on, y'all. We ain't gonna be able to fit in here. We're gonna have to leave the door open, y'all, in order for us both to fit in here. We're gonna have to leave the door open. I thought we can be able to close it, but we're gonna need like a super-sized deep freezer for all of that, baby. But look, even him, he's not gonna be able to fit. But me, I can fit in here.
I can fit in there too, see?
Babe!
Last leave.
Yeah, you get on my nerves. How we gonna do this? Guys, I'm in the deep freezer.
I'm not in there. starting the video, right?
If you don't get your ass off on me,
We starting the video.
you better get up.
Okay.
Get up, babe. He get on my nerves.
Yeah.
Yeah, babe. Get your ass.
Oh.
Get your foot. Get your foot.
So how we gonna put it in there? Huh?
Y'all, he messed up my
Yeah,
hair.
just look at your edges. Them bitches lifting up. They finna run, boy.
Shut up, they growing back, y'all. If y'all have any recommendations
They
on
growing,
how
they
to grow,
tight
y'all, we can't fit in this deep freezer. Who thought of this, Javon? He should have got it here before he thought of this video.
Alright, we gotta hold the camera. Come on, let's go.
How we gonna get
Alright,
it?
we gonna start it now, guys. We gonna start this video now. We gonna see who gonna last, gonna get up out this joint.
Okay, we're
So
gonna
far, it looks like one of us gonna get up, cause my feet is already cold.
we're gonna have to just leave the door open.
Come on, let's try.
I mean, it's already.
Alright, bring the camera up in there. We gonna see, man. I need this joint with me.
What? No, that's cheating. Look at him cheating.
What?
He cheating.
But my feet are cold, bro.
No, that's the whole point.
What?
Put my sweater. Get my sweater off of that.
You still wear this?
Yes.
You can wash it.
No, babe, get my sweater up. Look what you doing.
Oh my God! Why y'all complaining, bro?
I paid money for that.
How much? $25?
No.
Come on.
50.
50 no bum bar. Come on, we're ready. Come on.
Okay,
ready.
cool.
Ready.
Y'all, the stuff at the bottom kind of like it's defrosting kind of a little bit.
What I mean?
I mean, we got the deep freezer open too long. Okay, sit down. Okay. Y'all, we in this thing. We in this thing like packed sardines. I know you ain't finna try to close this food.
Whoa! Whoa! What's that?
Yeah, look, the deep freezer is defrosting. Babe, we gotta close it.
We gotta close it.
No.
We gotta sit up in here and close it.
Ow, my thigh.
Yeah, let's go.
My thunder thigh. Oh!
I'm stuck. My foot wet.
Your foot wet.
I'm in there. I'm down in there.
You in it?
I'm in there.
Okay.
Oh, my back cold.
Babe, we're not gonna be able to fit. Okay. Oh, wait, that's cold.
What do you mean?
That's cold.
Give me the camera.
Y'all, sorry for the footage.
Bring. Wait.
Ow. Okay.
Hold on. Wait. Hold my phone.
Oh.
Hold it.
Oh.
Hold it, man. Yeah, man.
Man, get that water from dripping on me.
All right, float this bad boy. Wait, what happened to the light?
Man, that's cold. What is that dripping?
What do you mean? Is defrosting food?
Which one is dripping on me?
I don't know.
It's this shit.
Yo, my back is cold. Babe,
What?
babe,
What?
turn the light on. From my phone.
I'm sitting.
Turn the light on from my phone.
How here?
Babe, my back is cold. We gotta switch spots.
What you mean?
We gotta switch spots.
Nah, cause this one tighter. Look, this thing right here.
I go over there.
You ain't gonna fit.
Man, I'll fit something. I'd rather be over there than over here.
They see us.
Man, they can see me. Look at my head.
Y'all, who thought of this goddamn video? Look at this shit.
Yo, my back I freeze, dog.
Your back got freeze,
Yeah, my
dog.
back I freeze.
Man, get the camera on my face like that.
Want me to put the camera in?
Huh? Babe, put your head down some more.
No, I bombard. Camera close my head. Babe, if we close this shit,
What?
babe, you sure this shit can open up when we close it?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh, you sure?
Cause I opened it, remember?
God, if we die, you know why.
We in the deep freezer.
Babe, I can't put it on my head.
Put your head
I
down.
can't put it on my head.
Why?
Because my head me too big. What do you mean why?
Okay, scoot your body over some more so you can put your head down.
Hold on, lift up.
Lift them back.
Yo, my back is stuck, bro. My back is stuck, bro.
Y'all, my thigh, my butt meat right here is freezing. My butt meat is freezing.
Ooh, I sure would. Take a shirt in this.
Look at my shirt. Look at the shirt I got on.
Your whole back is lifting up.
I know.
But hold. This is not a good idea. Babe, my back is. Get out, bro.
No, you get out.
Bro, I'm in an uncomfortable.
Oh.
Whoa.
I'm falling.
Hold. Oh, baby, we gotta close it.
What's that noise? Oh, it's dripping right there. Babe, it's dripping. You gotta close it.
We gotta close it.
Close it.
How we gonna close it?
I don't know.
My big ass head in the way. Babe, what if we close it and we get stuck up in here?
We not. Remember?
We're not with the door, but what if we get stuck towards here?
Y'all, who thought of this?
I look cute though.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop your fucking lying.
Boy, shut up. Shut your...
Oh yeah, the sexy ladies hit me up.
And I'm gonna hit y'all asses up.
Hit me up, man. You know, Instagram in the description below. Hit me up. I gotta tell.
You said what?
Huh? What you trying to do?
What you trying to do?
Look what you doing in that hand, bro.
What you trying to do?
What you trying to do with that hand? Move your hand. Move your hand, bro. Move your hand, bro. Oh, my back. Babe, we can't. Oh, we go close it now.
Okay, reach for it. And don't let it drip on me.
We can't control it.
Ooh. There you go, baby.
Hell no.
Babe, close it there.
Ouch. No, bro, that ain't gonna work.
Ew, it went in my mouth.
Babe, I can't bend my neck.
Why?
I broke my neck. We gotta sit in a different position, bro. What?
She done fallen, nigga.
Yo, wait, yo, pick up my phone. Yo, yeah, turn my phone like it's like not material. What you trying to do?
I'm stuck.
Oh, you think it out?
No, I ain't finna get out. You trying to reposition yourself. I'm good.
I'm trying to reposition so we can close it.
Okay, go ahead.
Yo, this ice in my back ain't helping at all. Hold the camera.
Ow!
Baby, can you change this thing over there, sir?
What thing over there? No.
Why, please?
No.
I can't use your jacket?
No, you cannot use my jacket.
Babe, my neck, my mama.
Ow, babe.
What?
It hurt. Ooh, no, my back now.
What's wrong with that, babe?
It's cold. It's freezing.
Babe, my balls are gonna freeze, bro. Man, I ain't got no symptom in them balls. Man, I can't use no sperm no more, bro.
Boy, shut up. Ow!
Man, try to go glue or something. You can't close the thing.
What? Get out my butt. Stop! Babe, move your foot. I'm not put. Okay.
Hey,
yeah,
chill out,
move your shit.
What was that? What was that though?
That was my butt.
Oh.
Ooh, my back freezing.
Babe, we cannot close this. You alright?
I'm going to a shock. Ooh,
You alright?
the ice was on my back.
My guy, it's been on my back.
My bare skin.
I don't. My shirt is thin. Look at yours.
Babe, my bare skin.
Oh, your bare skin like.
Yeah,
this
it's
type
like
skin?
skin.
Oh, shit.
Skin.
Ooh, babe, you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You in a good position?
Stop moving me.
I'm trying to close this.
Okay,
But my head is big. You should have sat on. You should have sat on me. Ooh, get this motherfucker. Stop taking it off. It's cold already. Why are you taking another thing for?
Cause that shit is cold.
It's gonna make our ass cold. It's going on the thing. It's gonna melt. Ah, my back. My back. Oh, I can't do it. I quit.
My neck and my back.
I quit. I quit, bro.
You quit?
My back is burning.
You quit? Give me my 300.
I ain't get up out of here.
Ooh, I got a cramp in my goddamn back.
Yeah, get up.
Babe, I got a cramp.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Control your temper. Ooh. Control your temper. Ooh.
I can't stand you.
Yeah, the muscles.
I got a cramp.
This is cold. Babe, we gotta close the deep freezer, man.
Ooh. Ooh.
My back is killing me low key though. This shit cold. Let's get out.
No. I'm not a quitter. I ain't no quitter, but don't tip me. Ooh. They don't want to cold.
My head is in the way, bro. My head is in the way, bro.
Relax. Javon, you is squishing me.
Babe! Oh shit, I thought we got locked up in this bitch.
I got scared.
Yo!
What? Babe,
Man, I thought it could have opened. Yo, guys, I thought this shit could have opened, man. Man, I'm scared. What you mean? What? Yeah, man, I ain't trying to freeze to that.
Me either. Ooh. They just turned into water back here. Oh, wait.
What? Oh shit.
What?
Shit. Wait.
Ah. Ah.
Babe, do this turn on?
What turn on?
The fan.
What fan?
Yo! Oh.
Babe, I should have worn a long ass shirt.
My bag!
My bag.
Yo, you're blocking the light. Move your big ass head, bro. Babe, what if when the fan turn on, this don't open?
What fan?
The fan in the deep freezer.
It's a fan in here. Where is it?
Oh, how you get cold then?
Because it freezes on the outside.
So no, it don't make no noise?
It's a little layer on the other side that freezes it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes, guys, you can see me. Look on my head. Bro, what's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? What are you moving for?
I gotta reposition myself.
Just quit.
No. No. I'm not a quitter. I am not a quitter.
Man, you better open this bitch up, bro. I swear to God, I'm gonna keep this bitch up. Stop! Don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me, bro. Hey, don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me, man.
You funny.
Don't play with me, man.
Oh, this is torture. Look at this. Ooh. I got water dripping on a nigga. Ooh. My back freezing over here. Nigga. Y'all, can y'all see my back freezing? I'm trying to stay calm.
Man, my arms are cold.
Calm, cool, and collected. Calm, cool, and collected. I'm about to get my ass about this bitch. Cause it, oh, gosh. Y'all, I'm freezing. It's so dark.
Hi guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. She's like, we freezing your time and say like and subscribe.
Ooh.
Look at my neck. Look at my neck side, bro. This is uncomfortable.
Y'all look at me. I'm like literally like squished in here. I can't do this no more, baby. My back freezing. Get it.
Get up, drop this shit on me, bro.
Yes. Get out.
Get out. What do you mean?
Get out.
No, you get out. I ain't get out. Yo, chill. What's wrong with you?
Give me you.
You finna come over real?
Back on this thing. Get up. Get up.
You gonna quit?
Yes.
You quit it? Oh shit.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Go on, quit. Go on, quit. Get up. Take your cool off on them off of me. Yo, y'all ain't them cool, man. What the hell wrong with you, man?
Ow.
Yeah, it's a cold, bro. You quit it?
Yes.
You quit it? Focus, camera. You quit it?
Can you get up?
No, you gotta get up first. What's that? Oh.
This shit about to blow.
Get up, bro. Get up.
I can't get
My back is freezing right now. Ooh, we got a quitter. Get out all the way and hold the camera. Get up. Get out all the way.
No, man, look, all that ice melted on me.
So, man, hurry, get out of the damn shit. Yo, give me you're not gonna throw shit on me, bro.
Nope, you starting again.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
How you gonna fit?
He thought I was gonna quit.
How you gonna fit?
Now I'm gonna squish you like he was pushing me.
Hey, this is not right. I have a
Yeah, baby.
Our defense gonna close now. How is it gonna close now? Man, just quit, man. You was already quitting. It's not gonna work. You motherfucker. You son of a. You motherfucker, bro.
There you go.
This is not right.
Yes, it is.
Man, this is not right.
Yes, it is.
Man, my freaking neck.
Yeah.
They can't even see us.
Huh?
No. You quit already, bro.
I did not quit.
Quit now.
No, I'm not a quitter.
Yo, my back is cold.
Nah, y'all, I'm finna quit for real, for real.
You can't tell I'm look cute right here, bro.
Boy, you ugly as fuck. Shut up. Y'all, I'm finna quit for real, for real. Y'all know I got back issues and stuff. I can't be doing this type of shit. I'm finna get out this bed.
Let me touch your toilet. You lost. Hold this. Yes.
Look at his ass trying to get out this bed. Look at. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that was the worst pain ever.
Ooh.
Babe, feel my backside.
Feel my back, bro. Ah!
Ooh.
Ooh, it feels stiff.
Babe, look at me. Right here, feel it.
Where?
Right there.
Man, my shit more wet than yours.
Y'all, I had bare skin. Come on, bro. He had a whole shirt on. Y'all, let me tell you. Babe, what you think of this challenge? He won, y'all. I give it to him. He won. But
I won the last one and this one.
No, he didn't. I won the last one. He lost the last one. He won this one.
I won the last one and this one.
Babe, I'm bleeding.
What? Let me see.
Am I? No?
No.
Oh, okay, I thought it was.
Oh, I feel like something pulling my back.
Who pulling you, baby?
I don't know.
It looked like somebody was pulling you.
Shit.
Okay, y'all, Javon won this challenge.
Baby, you sure something in my back?
And I need of it.
You sure?
Yeah, baby. Why you standing like that?
It feels like something pulling my back because it still froze.
You play too much. Okay, y'all, so we're going to end the video right here. If y'all were entertained by this video as much as I was, make sure you like this video, comment in the comment section, fire emojis, whatever you want to put in the comment section. What else? Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we post another video. And thank you all for watching us, continue to support us.
Like and subscribe button. I'm gonna tell you shit.
All right, peace.